Electric nail drill. I never thought I'd actually own one of these. In this video, I am going to be trying out, unboxing, reviewing an electric nail drill. Whoa, okay, I'm fine. Now using the non-dominant hand. So far, I'm still alive. Oh my gosh, we're getting so close. Okay, so ow, don't let this hit your skin. Oh, I have now decided that this is actually a little bit dangerous. I am a completely, totally beginner at this. So I wanted to do this video for people who are like me, who have never used a professional nail drill and are curious about what to expect from a beginner's point of view. I should throw in a disclaimer. I am not a professional at anything, and that includes anything nail tech related. So if you do what I do in any way and start bleeding or injure yourself, you can't come after me. This video is number 3 out of my 100 bad videos. Shout out to Roberta Blake. And okay, let's go. Okay, and here we are for the main event. I need to make sure this doesn't move. Maybe I'll use this as a placeholder. All right. Electric nail drill. I never thought I'd actually own one of these. Okay, so there's no like brand name on it. But you know, if anyone's watching this and they're curious, I can add the Amazon link in the description of the video, like all the other YouTubes do. Here we go. Alice, this looks used. Okay. Was that part of the pattern? Oh my god, is this actually looks used. So oops about that. This label's like, it looks like it's rubbed off, but it's okay. We can get past that. English. Oh, okay, so this is obviously the main part. What else do we have in here? Oh, this little cute brush is one of the main reasons I went with this kit. So you can brush off all the crud afterwards. This can be put away. Okay, I need to plug this in. Fear not, I came prepared with a power cord close by. I'm so excited. My grandma got one of these for me a long time ago, but it wasn't a toy one, but it was pretty close to a toy one. Like, it was super weak. I couldn't do anything with it, but pretty legit gift to give a young lady. Try and keep the area clean here. What do we got going on here? Instructions. Grinding pinhole. Insert the nail bit. Handpiece bottom, please do not open. It may cause cannot work. Okay. No need to turn. Wow, dude. So funny to get things that are obviously written by someone who's not an English speaker. No need to turn, rotate anything. Just insert the bits. Just insert the bits. Okay. It's normal that feel warm when using. Wow. Okay. It says nothing about how to power it, but I'm sure that wait a minute. Oh, that's it? Okay. The rest we have to figure out for ourselves. Here we go. All right, so obviously the power, can you see this? I just feel like, yeah, you can see this. Is it blurry? Too bad. I don't have an autofocus camera right now. Here we go. Okay, we've got power. So what I'm gonna do first is clean up the perimeter of my nails, and then I'm gonna rough the surface to prepare for the polygel application. I'm so excited. Okay, all the dirt can go on the floor. Oh my god, I'm actually such a dirty bitch. Okay, plug it in, plug it in. Oh my god, it's on. Please turn off. Oh my god, off. Oh god, there is not an on-off button with this, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, so first things first, I hate that there is not an on-off button. That is stupid. Oh my god. Okay. That is so dumb. There's no on-off button. That is crazy. It looks like this is supposed to be the on-off button, but it's not. Oh. Oh, in the middle is off. Okay, in the middle is off. So, turn this off. Switch it to the middle position. Then this is low, off, high. And then this is also speed control. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's turn this off. And let's see the bits we have. Seriously? I don't like to rip the boxes, you know? Okay, we got it. Oh, it's in the cute little case. Oh, wow. Okay, we're professionals up in this bitch. Okay, so what am I doing? Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do, oh my God, I hope I don't hurt myself. How do I open this? Okay, so we've got all of the bits here. I hope you can see. I'm not gonna check anymore, seriously. Maybe I shouldn't, actually, never mind. Okay, what I would like to do first is clean up the perimeter of the nails. So I'm just gonna guess which bit to use. There's no tab or anything to open this. What on earth? Am I missing something? What the hell? This can't be right. Oh. I don't know what I'm supposed to use. I feel like I see all the girls online use this one. Okay, that looks way too sharp for me. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. This is what I'm gonna use to clean up the nail perimeters. Here we go. Oops. It says to insert, oh, what's all this? There's more information. Oh, this is just a get a free gift. Okay, no thank you, China. Okay, insert bit. How far am I supposed to put it in? I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the lowest setting, I think. Oh my God, I'm intimidated. I'm intimidated. Okay, here goes nothing. I need to make sure you guys can see. Okay, here we go. I'm scared. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's not so bad. We're good. This is so fun. Yay. I'm professional. Okay, so it's definitely, it's like not really doing much to my skin. But these areas need to be cleaned up desperately. Oh my gosh. Okay folks, this is so actually not that bad. Wow. Yep, I'm getting rid of everything I needed to get rid of. Cool. All that ugly on the side. Wow. This is something you need to be careful because you could accidentally just go all day, go to town on your nail, and then all of a sudden your nail is gone. Okay, looks good. Next, do I have anything here? Yes. So I'm using this to get rid of this like weird like cartilage kind of thing. Gotta really get in there. Okay, cool. This one looks good so far. Now get this shit out of the way. Oh yeah, you can push your skin back and get in there. Don't be afraid. Okay, next. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see, but there's that like yucky. I don't know what to call this. The best I can call it is it just looks like cartilage. It's like not cuticle, it's not nail. Maybe it's a layer of nail? I don't know, but sorry. You have to go away. So I don't know if I'm taking off a lot of my actual nail, but it does not feel like it. I obviously don't want my nails to be like super thin. This is so fun. If you get one of these, you can start giving manicures to your friends. And then maybe I'll see if this is a good example. Whatever this is, I need the nail gel for this. This is so, I don't know what it is. There we go, get rid of it. So again, if you're interested, the next video is gonna be Whoa. Okay, I'm fine. That didn't hurt me actually. The next video is gonna be the actual polygel, an actual polygel application, but both are first times for me. What is this? I need to hold this close to my face for just a minute here. You know, this thing is way more intimidating than it needs to be. Just FYI. Like, this is hitting my skin and not doing a thing. Beautiful, very nice, good job. Okay. Let's clean these bad boys up. So, turn this off, switch it to the middle position. Switch our bit. Okay, so there are some sandpaper thingies here. It looks like this one's really coarse. And all these bits look like they have also the same coarseness. Peanut, what is it? Why don't you just have a nap? Okay. I think this is a pretty good guess that this is the one to use with the thingies, the sandpaper thingies. Okay. Hey, stop what you're doing. This is so fun. What's the matter, Peanut? All right, let's see. I wonder if I can use this on my dog's nails. Okay, so just gently. Okay. I like this machine because when you use a nail file, it's so hard to like get this area with a nail file. Yeah. These polygels are gonna be stuck. Yes. So far, I'm very happy with this drill thingy. This is good stuff. All right, that one looks good. I'm basically a professional, but ow, okay, ouch. This will get you to all the spots that you need to get to, which I like. Can I file the edge with my nail safely? Yes, I can. Ladies and gentlemen, hell yeah. This thing's awesome. Oh my gosh, we're getting so close. Okay, so ow, don't let this hit your skin. That's when you find problems. Stay on the nail. I'm actually a little worried about using this bit with my non-dominant hand, but whatevs. We're here now. All right, that looks good. Okay, now using the non-dominant hand. Oh God, okay, so far I'm still alive. I think this is where like the reverse direction could be helpful. Maybe I'll just try right now. Let's see. So I think, okay, is this? I can't tell if this is a different direction or not. Yeah, I think it is. But this also seems like it's at a different speed. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get those edges. Oh. Never let a child use this machine. I have now decided that this is actually a little bit dangerous. I'm trying to do it like the girls do online, but just not there yet. So overall, I give this product an A. I really love it. It makes so much of the like manicure process go along much faster. I found that it allows you to be so much more precise than you would be able to be with just like a regular nail file. The product itself works fine, but the fact that the on, off, and like different spinning directions wasn't labeled on the control like really turned me off when I first opened the product. I did see that it was all labeled on like the Amazon product listing, but the fact that it's not actually labeled on the actual machine is kind of weird and annoying. And like me personally, when I plugged it in, it was like already in the on position, and that like really threw me off, and that can be kind of like intimidating when you've never used one before. Also, when I bought the product, one of the bits didn't fit in the machine, so I had to exchange it for another one, which is not a big deal. The replacement came like a day after. I do think though the first drill I got was used, because the replacement that I got looks totally, not totally different, but you know, in perfect shape. My dog's so scared. It's It's okay. I would say this product is perfectly acceptable for any adult beginner. I would just urge that you take it slow because it is a very powerful machine and you could easily hurt yourself. I could see how you could very easily file your nail bed way too thin down to your flesh super quickly. I took it really slow just to see, you know, what's the safe speed, and there's a couple times where it caught my skin and I never got injured at all, but I could see how if you kind of just went into it, you could like hurt yourself right away and just create a terrible experience. I actually mainly got this electric nail drill to use for my polygel shaping process. So if you're interested in a nail drill for that purpose as well, that's gonna be my next video. Feel free to check that out when it's up, hopefully within the next week. To whoever watched this video, bye for now.